All right, my friend, you finished the 17 hacks to boost your business credit scores, but now I'm going to give you some bonuses. This is hack number 18. If you like this content, share it, like it, comment in the comment section, put business credit, put the money bags, join me for $1 Million Mondays, but show the platform, show Instagram, show YouTube, show Facebook that you like this type of content. So this content can be shown to more people. I'm giving away a lot of free game here, and I'm not begging you for likes. I don't really like the likes. I can do without it, but people will not see it if you don't like it, share it, and comment on it. So if you can, just for me, like it, share it, comment on it, so the platform can show it to more people. But your bonus hack number 18 is use your credit often. Now, your business credit profile is based on a lot of things, but one thing that's very important is your payment experiences. What that means is the amount of times that you use the credit. If you have one account that reports to all 3 business credit bureaus and you use it one time, you have 3 payment experiences. What I want you to do is use those accounts often, so that way you have more and more and more experiences. When you have more and more experiences and they pull your business credit profile and they can see, wow, you've used this multiple times, you've paid it off, make sure you pay it off in full every month, make sure you pay it early, keep your scores high, follow all the hacks that we did before. It's going to be really, really easy for people to give you funding because they can see your track record. They can see that you're using these accounts multiple times. You're paying it back and you're being very responsible. And you're just racking up those payment experiences. Those experiences are very, very important, and it will help you get a lot of approvals a lot easier in the future.